Hey YouTube, Jimmy C here, upstairs in my shop. Jimmy C here, upstairs in my little shop. Gonna do a tool review on the Rockwell Blade Runner X2. There it is, set up right there. Yep, easy to put together. Comes with the little manual here. Comes with these 5 blades. We got metal cutting, ceramic cutting, wood cutting, and one for this one here is for like scroll saws type work. And yeah, so that's what it comes with. It's got this little thing here you push down and pull back. That's how you load the blades. Let me get one in there. Yeah, you're supposed to put this little red cap on to help push down. There you go, one blade in. Watch this, when you pull that thing, when you slide it back, it ejects the blade, so you don't have to touch the hot blade to pull it out of there. That's pretty cool. Hold on. Alright, next I guess I could show you some of this. This comes down. You can tighten this up here to so that it won't swivel, but let's leave that there. We got you loosen this here so it goes up and down on the depth of the wood. Here, let me put a piece in there. You put a piece in there and then tighten it on the top of it. That helps prevent the bounce and wobbling, I guess. And yeah. I got this. The guide is an edge guide's over here. The pusher stores right down here. This is, you can angle it or whatever you need to do, but it stores right underneath there. Hey, let me show you a situation that I ran into with this. All right, now this is a larger piece. It's bigger. Piece of wood's bigger than the saw. This piece of wood's bigger than the saw itself. So what I noticed is when you get back to the far end, it gets a little sketchy. Let me show you. You see how it kind of binds up right there, right? And you can push through it. You can definitely push through it. I've done it, but I've already made several passes. Just try it, seeing how I like the thing. So what I found out was if I flip it over. All right, let me run this again. Comes out with a nice edge that way, right? I had to show you, but look at the consistency of that cut. I mean, the only one that's off at all is the first one. The first one's off a little because apparently that didn't have a good edge. You know what I'm saying? That's pretty tight. That's pretty tight for Jigsaw, anyways. I mean, yeah. Let's get rid of that. Get rid of that one now. Yeah, man. Hey. It looks like there's a lump right there, but yeah, it's minuscule if anything. So Yeah, flip it over. Flip them over and see what we got on this edge. Yeah, you know, pretty similar. Pretty similar. Storage right here in front for blades. And it has this little bracket right here for hooking to the table, so you don't have to screw it down, you know. It worked out pretty good. Thank you. Let's see if we can freehand a circle. Come on. Let's try this. Well, heck, that ain't half bad for one-handed. Not bad at all. Well, there you have it, the Rockwell Blade Runner X2. So far, so good. We'll see how she does in the long run. Thanks for watching.